Hello everyone, my name is Jojo. In this video, I'm going to show you the user experience of retrieving a discount on your NFTs in the TokenGated Store on Shopify. If you go to a Shopify store powered by PERCS and you go to the product that you want to unlock your discount, what you have to do is click on this gift button or in a different image that will be here but in the same place, and now you choose the Web3 wallet that you hold the NFTs to unlock this discount. I'm choosing MetaMask, choose the right address, next, and then click on connect, and there you go. Now you can see the discounts that you can retrieve from your NFTs. And if you have other discounts that you want, instead of the first one that appears here, you click on view other discounts and then you choose the one that you want. I'm choosing this guy. So here I go to redeem, sign the transaction. Now you unlocked your discount. You can either apply it to the checkout or copy it. I will apply to checkout. Now I will add the product to the cart, going to the checkout, and there you can see the product with the discount that you just added. But if instead of buying just one product, you want to buy multiple products with multiple discounts, what you have to do is a bit different. So you go to the other product that you want to buy with a different discount, for example this shirt here, and the process is almost the same. Click on the gift button, connect the wallet, then if this is not the right one, go to view other discounts and then choose the proper discount. I'm choosing this one. Click on redeem, sign, and there you have the new discount. But instead of applying it to the checkout, you copy the discount. And the reason for you to do that is that Shopify doesn't allow you to apply multiple discounts using this method. But if you copy the discount here and you add the product to the checkout, you come here and paste the discount code that you just copied, apply it, and then you have a cart with multiple products and multiple discounts. And lastly, another important thing is if you have a unlimited discount and you want to get your discount code again, what you have to do is click on the gift button, go to view other discounts, and now you go to redeemed, because if this is not the first time that you are using this unlimited discount, they will be here on redeemed. But to copy the code again, you just need to unlock it, sign the transaction, and there you have the unlimited discount for you to use multiple times in multiple orders. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comments or send a message to our team at builders@getperks.com. See you on the next video.